Okay guys, this is our pattern stone sampling. In previous video already I have discussed our mixed design ratio for pattern stone sampling. How can we do our pattern stone and how can we make our pattern stone. And this is here another one thing we should think about our pattern stone. After finishing this pattern stone, our small stone will be visible in top portion in our pattern stone sample. Actually this purpose is for architectural view. We need a good architectural view. For this reason, after this one finishing, surface finishing, then we will foam out our cement sand mortar from top portion. Then our small 8 mm down stone will be visible in top portion of our floor finishing, and this one will be looking good. For this reason we will remove our mortar. And okay, already we have finished our mixing. After mixing, then we have already started our sampling. Here in previous time already I have said our sampling size is 300 mm by 300 mm and depth is 25 mm, and already we have started here. And after this one, then we will try to best for our good finishing in top portion, and when we will finishing and when we will scaling here, then or traveling here, then our cement mortar or water will come out in top portion. When water or cement mortar will come out in top portion, then we will foam out this water and cement mortar. Then our 8 mm down stone will be appearing and looking good also. For this reason we will foam out our extra cement or mortar, and our small stone will be visible, and this is also looking good. This is actually purpose of pattern stone and looking our floor finishing good.